Hello everyone, this is another video on the scalping that we're gonna be showing you. We are on the USD Japanese yen, but if you guys haven't watched the previous videos, you can go ahead and watch them first. Our videos are gonna be located on the top right corner for you, so you can check them out and see why we were opening those trades before, how we determined the trend, and there is a lot of valuable information that we're talking about. Real quick, I'm gonna go over basically what you're gonna see in the previous videos and why we were taking those trades. Basically, we are determining our trend on a higher time frame. We do that on a 1 hour time frame, and then we are following the trend, and that's when we are actually placing our orders on a 5 minute chart, but following the higher time frame trend. Now, while we were taking those trades, as you can see, we have drawn the buffer zone here. We had a break of this zone. We have a retest. After that, there is something we talked in our previous videos, guys. I don't know if you remember. Hopefully, you actually take your time to learn. But this formation of three black soldiers, and we have the power of our indicator. As you can see, the price was going down. The moving averages are crossing each other, and there is a nice buffer zone between them, which gives us the thought that the price may keep going down. And also, like I mentioned, our indicator, you see that we have a 55% power of the trend. We have a downtrend. Basically, we were following this indicator, these moving averages. We were following the price action, and that's why we took a couple of trades already. And we continue to follow this trend and actually see how the price will react. And like I said, you see the buffer zone that was broken, the power of the trend. So basically, we try to catch the best setup, so we don't rush into a trade. And I want to show you something that it's not really related to the opening orders and stuff, but in case people, if you guys want to change the candles, or you just didn't like the colors or whatever, for some reason you want to change something. Uh, this is for most likely it's for people that are really new to the trading, but um, you can do that by pressing the right button and then go on properties, and you can change everything. But there is reason behind those candles, the colors, then the colors of the moving average. If you go to a casino, everything is black, green, red. Those are colors that, yellow as well. Those are colors that somehow uh, unconsciously make you wanna bet, or stay away from the red and stuff. But while we're talking, I'm forwarding the video, and as you can see, guys, we are opening a trade here, and we're opening with a bigger size from the previous videos. Like I said, if you watched, you'll know what we're talking about. uh, we have our stop loss set. We talk about that as well. When the market is more volatile, we prefer to have stop loss. And reason for this trade, plenty of them. We have these three black soldiers. We have a bounce of the green moving average. We have the power of the trend. It's only 35%, but still it's in our direction. Then the downtrend, and this is gonna be really quick trade, by the way, guys, because I'm gonna close this trade right now. And the reason for that is, as you can see, the price is already testing the previous low. So that's the reason I would like to close this trade, and I'm gonna go over why. Basically, it's a nice bearish candle. You all agree with that? But also we have a previous bottom, previous low, which the price, it might go under that and continue going down, but it might come back. So this is, if you keep this trade, this is most likely gonna be gambling, and we don't want to do that. We cannot really make move our stop loss into a profit because we were really close to where we open our order. So we can let the price continue and see what's gonna happen. That's why we prefer to close our trade and then wait for a better opportunity. And if the price come back in, and I'm forwarding the video, guys, look here, this is a perfect example why we close this trade. As you can see, the price went back to retest this zone. You see the nice wick that we have on the green candle that touched the moving average, and then that's why right after we are opening another trade, we're going short here. And this move there is a nice potential. We see a nice potential here, so we're gonna be probably keeping this one a little longer because it has a nice potential. We have the three black soldiers, the moving averages are looking nice. We see the percentage of our indicator, which is really important to us, and also the trend is down, so that's why that looks promising. And we're gonna be waiting and see how the price will react. And as you can see, we're here couple minutes later, and as you can see, our stop loss is already set on plus, so we're guaranteed profit here. But guys, there is something I want to point here, and this is something that we should have actually done before. We should have actually closed this trade right after the big bearish candle. You see the second one, and there is a big wick there. That was the moment that we should have closed. And as you can see here, we made more profit. The price is still going down. We moved our stop loss on plus, and we could have actually opened another trade right here, but we wasn't in front of the computer, and this is the nice thing about moving your stop loss on profit, because you can just leave the computer and then let the price go, and just come back and see what happened. But actually we should have closed this trade, and we actually should close this trade right now as well, because as you can see, we had a nice movement. We have a nice bumps of the moving average, the green moving average, and the price was moving nicely. But as you can see now, the price is having trouble going through this zone. As you can see, the price was bumping and testing this zone a bunch of times. So right now we are not really convinced if the price would break through this zone or it's gonna stick here. So the smart thing to do here is to close this trade and just wait and see if the price continue going down. We're gonna wait for a retest, and then we can enter another short. But right now the only thing you can do is basically lose your trades, and that's why we're closing the trade. And we're gonna be waiting and see. Maybe we're gonna be looking at another currency pair, because at that point I feel like the trend here is getting exhausted, and maybe the price is gonna be making corrections, retest zones, value areas, and etc. So that's where we probably stepping away from the chart. In this particular chart, of course, we're looking at other currency pairs, but that was pretty much it, guys. So for this video for scalping, we made a really nice profit. We took bunch of trades, and I really hope you understand the the core of the scalping and the strategy of scalping. Basically, it's pretty easy. I know a lot of you are gonna say, well, yeah, it's easy because you know how to do it, but it takes time to understand how the trading works. But once you see how it is, it just everything it's repetitive, and it's gonna come the time where you're gonna be making those profitable trades one by one, and it's gonna be natural for you. But the problem is gonna be to keep those trades, those winning trades. And what I mean by that is basically you're gonna have to train yourself, train yourself to keep calm, keep humble, and I can promise you after a winning strike, let's say you have 5 10 winning trades, and there is gonna be a time that you'll be able to do that. And people just start thinking of crazy stuff. You feel like you can lose a trade, and then you start thinking about the Lambos that you see on these videos, the airplanes and helicopters. So it's getting pretty crazy. So try to be humble, try to stay calm, and just learn on yourself. I promise you're gonna learn the strategy. This is the easy part. I know it might sound crazy to you, but the easy part is to learn how to trade. The hard part is to basically learn how to stay humble and not get too greedy. So that's gonna be the psychological part of the trading. And we are actually preparing other videos. We're working on a course, so there is a lot more aspects of trading that you'd like to learn, not just the strategy. But this video is getting way too long, so thank you guys for watching. We're gonna continue in other video. Thank you so much for watching. Give us a like if we help you somehow learn something new or add something to your trading skills. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. That helps us a lot to make another videos, and it really motivates us. It means that we are doing a good job, and we really like to help you become a better trader. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.